We're going to do a quick video on how to complete a Rubik's Cube, and you only have to learn 4 different moves, consisting of maybe up to 6 turns at each time. So the basics of a Rubik's Cube is the center squares are always, they stay the same the whole time. They're always the same. So if you turn that, everything there, the orange always stays the same. Same with the white, green, red, etc. So the center squares are always the same. So we'll start by learning the 4 basic moves, and they're quite short, they're quite quick, easy to remember. So the first move 1 would be either the right hand down, the bottom over, the right hand back up, and the bottom back. Just those 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or else you do the exact same on the other side. On the left, you just go left down, bottom over, left back up, bottom back. So you can practice those. Alright. And you'll learn which one to use as need be. So that's the move 1. So it's that or that. So for move 2, there's 6 parts to it. So it's the front, then the top, then the right, and then you bring the top back, the right back, and then you bring the front back. So it's just those 6 moves. Top, right, so that's move 2. Okay. So you can just practice that, and we'll learn how to use it soon. So move 3 is, there's 5 parts to it. So it's turn the right, then the top, the right back, and top, and then right. So that's it. Right, top, right back, top, right. Okay. So that's move 3. Right, top, right back, top, right. So that's move 3. And so the 4th move is the longest one, but it's actually it's quite simple. So it's top and the right up, the top back, put your left up, top, you bring the right back down, bring the top back, bring the left back down. So that's it. So it's top, right, top back, left, top, right down, top back, left down. So you can practice that. Okay, so now we're going to start solving the cube. Now the first thing you do doesn't need any moves. You don't have to learn any moves. What you have to do is we're gonna make, I think it's called the white cross. You can do it with any side. You can make the yellow cross, you can make the blue cross. We're just gonna go with the white cross. So what the white cross means is you want a white cross on the top, but also you need to have the cross so that this is white, this is red for the red side. So it'll be white, red, red, white, white, red, red. For here, the green side, you want white, white, green, green, white, white, orange, orange, and white, white, blue, blue. So that's the white cross. And as I say, you have to line it up with the side. So you don't really need a move for this. You just do it. So here we have the green and white. So we need that around here. So what we can do is turn it, bring that around. So the green and the green are under each other. The white's down here. Then you can flip that up. So now you've got white, white, green, green. Find another one. There's the blue one. Here's the blue and white one. So we'll bring that around. Now the blues are lined up. Bring it up. There we go. White, white, blue, blue. Here's the red one. So just keep an eye out. If we turn this down now, what do you see? So we're turning this white and red one down to the bottom. We've also moved the green and white one. So we'll just turn the bottom one away and bring the green and white back up where it was. And then we'll bring this round. We'll match the two reds up here, flip it up. So you've got the white, white, red, red. And our last one is the where is it? The orange and white. So again, we'll turn it down to the bottom. Bring it over, bring the red one back up. Here we've got our orange one. Bring it round. It's not right. So we're gonna turn it, bring it up here. Orange, orange. Bring that there. Bring that back round. So there we go. So now we've got a white cross, and we've also got orange, orange, blue, blue, red, red, green, green. Now I say you don't have to learn a move for that. You just do it. Take your time. You'll find ways to do it quicker than that, but just get that cross done, and then we can move on to the moves for the rest of the cube. Okay. So now that we've got the white cross, we can use one of our first moves, which is move 1. What you want to do is you want to get this. All this is going to be white, and the tops are going to be correct. So this is going to be orange, orange, green, green. This will be white. This will be green, green, red, red. This will be white. Red, red, blue, blue. This will be white. And blue, orange, white. So we're gonna, after this, we're going to have all white here, and then we're gonna have blue line, orange line, green line, and red line, and that's the top layer done. So this is move 1. So what you have to do is, so say for example, this one here we've got the white and the orange and the green side. So you go down, you find the orange and the green sides. You bring your orange, white and green cube down below into the middle of these two. Okay? And you do move 1. You just keep doing move 1. So it's right down, bottom, right up, bottom, back. Just keep doing that, and eventually the white, orange and green cube will move onto the right position, like that. There you go. So we've got orange, orange, green, green. This is white. Now we're going to do that. So find another one with the white. There's orange, blue and white. So we can bring it onto the orange and blue sides and do the same thing. Right down, bring it over the bottom, up. That's it. It's in position. And there's our green and red. So we'll bring it over, right down, over, up, right back. And again for this one. And there we go. We've got the top layer done, just using that one little move. Okay, so the next thing now is we have to do the middle layer, which the middle layer just basically means all the colours around the middle are going to line up. So these will be all green, all red, all blue, all orange. And we still use move 1 for this. So first of all, you have to just turn the cube apart so that you're ready to do your move. So here's the blue and green, or here's the orange and green, sorry. So we bring the orange around here. We want to move it over to, we obviously want to move this over to here. Bring the green to here, the orange to here. So we want to move it to the right. So if we want to move it to the right, first of all, the first thing you do is turn the bottom away, turn the orange away to the left, and then we just do move one, which is the right, bottom, right back up, and bottom back round. So there, now we've done that, and now all you have to do is put the white back up here, and we do that by just turn the cube that way, bring the white up, and then so there you go. Now we've got the orange and the green in the right position. So we'll look for another one. So again, here's the green and red one. So we want to bring it over to here. So again, we'll move this away to the left first. Now just do the move on the right hand side. And bring this back up. So we just turn the front round, bring it back up here. So there we go, there's the red. The two red ones are in the correct position. Have another look around the cube. There's the blue and red one. So this time we want to move it to the left. So we just do move one, the opposite of move one, so we bring it round to the right, because we want to move it left, bring this round to the right, and just do move one, the opposite, so it's that way, down, over, up, and back, and then just putting the white back up in here, which is just done by that. So there's the green is in the right position, and then finally, so this one's already in the position wrong, so to get that out, we'll just do this, we'll do move one, but this will come out and then we'll put it back in correctly. So move one's that, and then just put this back up, and then find the cube. Here we go. So we want it to go over this way to the right, so put it under to the left, and then do move one, put this back up in here like that, and there you go. So now we've done the two layers basically just with one move so far. So the next move now we want to get is the yellow cross on this side, and the yellow cross, first of all we'll just get the cross, and then we'll worry about getting the correct cross. So for the yellow cross, you either want, first of all, the three yellow ones like this, or else you want the yellow, yellow, yellow. Okay, so at the minute we've got the three in this line, so you hold it this way with the three going across like this, and we're going to do move two. So move two was clockwise, top and right, and then you bring the top back, the right back, and the front one back. Now we've got the L shape. We just do the move again. We do the move again. So it's top back, and the front one back, and there we go. We've got our yellow cross. Okay. So now that we've got the yellow cross, we have to get the cross correct. As in, we have the same as we did the white cross. We need this to be yellow, 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 orange, which it is, but we need these to be matched up as well. So it's yellow, blue, yellow, red, yellow, green. So you can turn it around a few times. See, try the green one. At the minute, none of them's really, one of them is matching up maybe, but not the other. So what we need to do is, first of all, you have to get at least two matching. So at the minute we don't really have two matching. Okay, so this is where we do move three. which is the right, top, the right back down, top, right. And then all we have to do is bring these two orange ones back around and down them where they started. So we've done that. So now we can see we've got the blue and the orange one are in the right position. The red and the green aren't. So what you have to do now is the same move again, but you hold the cube so that the orange one at the side is correct and the blue at the back. Okay, so you hold the cube that way, where this is correct, and you're looking at the two that are wrong here. So, and we're just going to do the same move again. So it's right, top, right back down, top, right. So that was move 3, and now we're going to bring the green ones just back around and bring them back down where they were. Turn the red around. So have we got them? So now we've got obviously our. So just using move 3, we've got our yellow cross, and we've got it correct. We've got the colours: yellow, blue, yellow, yellow, red, red, yellow, yellow, green, green, yellow, yellow. So we can now move on to pretty much getting the cube solved very soon. Okay, so now we're ready to move on to the final, well, move 4. And we're very close to solving the cube here. So move 4, what you have to do is we have to get all of the cube, the correct color cube into the correct corner. So as you can see, this one is already in the correct corner. It's the blue, orange and yellow. So that's in the correct corner. This one isn't. We need this to be blue, red and yellow. Obviously this is green, red and yellow. This one isn't in the right corner, and this one isn't in the right corner. So we're going to use move 4 to get them into the right corner. And what you have to do is keep the one that is correct. If there's one correct, keep it at the front right here. Okay. And we're going to do move 4, which is the top, and then put your right up, bring your top back, bring your left up, top back and there, and then bringing this back and down in there. So now if we have a wee look, we can see that now we've got actually 2 in the correct, they're actually correct, and the other 2 are they're not orientated properly, but they are in the right position. You might have to do that move a couple of times, but it's basically, as long as you keep the correct cube here, if you do that a couple of times, you'll eventually get all the correct cubes into the correct position. And now we can solve the cube in the next move using move 1. So we're gonna now finish the cube, solve the cube, and say we're going to use move 1 again. Now it's very, very important to remember whenever you're doing the move 1 to do the 4 parts of the move. Okay, so you start with a cube. So these are done, so they're fine. So we're going to start with this one, and so this is move 1, just as we always done. The right one down, the bottom over, the right one back, and the bottom back. Remember to bring the bottom back each time. And we're going to keep doing this until the cube goes into the right position. There it is in the right position. Now don't forget, bring the bottom back after. Very important to bring the bottom back after you've got this into the correct position. Now we turn the cube, the top layer around, and we do the exact same move 1 until that comes in, and then it comes into the right position. And now you'll see if we turn all the cubes, all the sides, we've solved the cube. So say you really only learned 4 moves there, and just as if you know how to hold the cube and set it up correctly each time using those 4 moves, you will be able to solve a Rubik's Cube yourself. Good luck. Bye. I'm just going to do one final run through, basically start to finish, sort of commenting a bit on what I'm doing, but not really over explaining, so that you can see how it's not really a speed cube, obviously, demonstration, but it'll teach you how to do Rubik's Cube, and with, as I say, only learning really four moves. So we'll just start now. So we'll get the red into position. The red side, there's the blue. Blue and orange, flip up then. And the green. That's the cross. Now we move on, so there's our orange and blue. So actually, just here's a little shortcut. Instead of doing the move one, you can actually just put that up like that. It's in. So here's the orange and green. Orange and green. So we'll just do move one. It's in. There's the red and green. We're here around it. Keep going. Move one. Move one, that's in. And final one. So there we go, we've got the top level done. So now we'll move on to this one. We want to move it to the left, so put that to the right. Do move one reverse. Put that back in. There's the orange, blue. So we want to move it to the right. So we'll move it to the left first, and then we'll do move one. And put it back on there, like that. There we go. So we've got green and orange. We want to move it to the left, so move that to the right. Do move one reverse, basically. Bring that back around in there. And this one's in, so we'll just move it out by doing move one, put that back in, and then find it. We want to move it to the right. So move it to the left first, move one, and we're putting this back up in there like that. So now we've done that. So now we're going to do our yellow cross. Now we've only got a dot at the minute, so we'll have to do this a couple of times. So it's top, right, dit. Now we've got our line, so hold the line this way. Top, right, dit. Now we've got our L, so again, this will do it now. So top, right, dit. Right, now we've got our cross. So see what we have matching up here, green, nothing's really blue. So we'll do our right, top, right back, top, right, and then we're bringing the orange ones back round and down. Have a look now and see our green and orange are correct. So we hold it this way, so the green and orange, and we're doing right, top, right back, top, right, and then we're just bringing the purple ones back round and down, and everything should be matched now. So orange, blue, red. We've got our cross right. So now we're looking at the corners. This one's correct. This one is not this one. So this one's correct. It's in the right position. So we're going to do move four. So it's right, top, right and right, top, right. Have a wee look. That's right. Still these aren't. So back down. So now we've got this one correct. Correct. So we're going to start with we just move on all the way. So, and don't forget, bring this around. Always turn that, move on, bring this around. The bottom, very important. Bring this round, move on, we go. That is the cube done. So that was like 4 minutes messing about, but you can go quicker. So best of luck everybody, hope you are able to solve a Rubik's Cube very soon. Bye.